A symphony of steel where Lexus cars begin. Lexus, renowned for its luxury vehicles, boasts a manufacturing process as impressive as its cars. The journey starts in a serene environment, a stark contrast to the symphony of technology within. Here, advanced machinery takes center stage, giant robotic arms moving with balletic precision weld together the car's frame. Sparks fly as these metal titans fuse high-strength steel and aluminum panels with pinpoint accuracy. Each weld point, crucial for the car's strength and safety, is flawlessly executed by these mechanical marvels. The result is a lightweight yet incredibly strong frame, a testament to Lexus's commitment to both performance and efficiency. This marriage of technology and human expertise is evident throughout the process. Skilled engineers, the unsung heroes of this automotive opera, oversee every step. Their watchful eyes and expert knowledge ensure that each robot's movement contributes to the creation of a Lexus worthy of its name. Both beautiful and durable. The heart of the machine engine and transmission. The Lexus, its exterior gleaming, now receives its heart, the engine and transmission. This is where Lexus's commitment to performance and innovation truly shines. Highly skilled technicians, their movements honed by years of experience, work in harmony with advanced robotics. Powerful engines designed for both power and efficiency are carefully lowered into the engine bay. Transmissions, engineered for seamless gear changes, are meticulously connected. Every bolt is tightened to precise specifications, every connection double-checked. This blend of human expertise and technological precision ensures that each Lexus leaves the factory with a powertrain that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Whether it's a V8 engine roaring with power or a hybrid system gliding silently on electric power, the heart of every Lexus beats with the rhythm of advanced engineering. Small is given the utmost attention. Section 5, the final act, rigorous testing and quality assurance. The Lexus, now a fully fledged automobile, prepares for its final test, a rigorous assessment designed to ensure that it meets the brand's exacting standards. This is where the legendary Takumi craftsmen, masters of their craft, step into the spotlight. Their trained eyes, honed by years of experience, scan every inch of the car, searching for even the slightest imperfection. They run their hands over the bodywork, feeling for any inconsistencies in the paint finish. They inspect every seam, every joint, ensuring that everything is perfectly aligned. The Lexus is then subjected to a battery of performance tests. It is driven on a variety of surfaces, from smooth asphalt to bumpy cobblestones, to assess its ride comfort and handling. Its engine and transmission are pushed to their limits, ensuring that they deliver the promised power and responsiveness. Only when a Lexus has passed every test with flying colors is it deemed worthy of the badge.